this is it guys, no, Web 3.1 airdrop guys. Pwede na kayo mag-join gamitin yung link ko sa baba at papasok ko ng 5 USD dito, no guys, para talagang malaki ang kitaan, no. So guys, as you can see, there is the recharge here, meron account, crypto, and airdrop of course. Ayan guys, no. So moonshot mission guys. Okay, ito yung very important thing to consider. Meron token dito, to the moon token, kaya nga TTM means to the moon guys, no. And of course, meron din affiliate dito. Okay, pwede kayo mag-share gamitin yung link ko. Okay, ayan yung Twitter address nila. Check natin mamaya yung Telegram, no. Pero basically, pwede kayo mag-participate ASAP. Okay, gamitin nyo yung link ko sa baba. So ito yung future na airdrop. Okay, may mga news updates at iba't iba mga airdrops dyan guys, no. So pwede kayo mamili Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain. Okay, iba't iba yan guys, napakarami. And makikita nyo yung airdrop link kapag kinlik nyo. Okay, so yan guys, no. So napakadali guys, as you can see, is very easy to do and you can earn points trade mining, no. So ayan guys, no. So depende kung anong network, kung Arbitrum, okay, add network mo yan. So napakadali lang and click approve and ma-approve na siya. Okay, and then you can just switch network and ayan na guys, no. So you can deposit guys. So ayan guys, no, pwede kayo mag-deposit easily. So as you can see, it's very accessible and easy. And guys, pwede rin Binance Smart Chain, no. So kung Binance Smart Chain pinili nyo, okay, makita nyo dyan yung airdrop link. And ayan na, Zili.io, no. So pwede kayo mag-connect through Magic Square, no. So of course, connect nyo yung MetaMask nyo. Very basic process guys, no. So ayan guys, no. So sign in nyo lang, okay. And ayan na, verify lang yung account nyo. You can submit your project submission din, no, advertising, and of course meron kang 1 airdrop token, YouTube support program, etc. So marami silang mga features and platform, no. So guys, ayan, no, may mga airdrops nga dito, napakarami. And of course, marami updates, may business model na solid, no, very nice. And of course, team introduction, this war game, and social media promotion, no. So kung gusto nyo makita yung pag-invest ko, mag-invest akong $5 dito, samahan nyo ako boss. Let's go! And guys, so makita nyo dyan yung TTM, yung total commission revenue. Gamitin nyo yung link ko dyan. Okay, ibabayin nyo yan, no. Click nyo yan, tapos ibayin nyo lang itong address ko. So copy nyo lang yung address ko from the asterisk hanggang dito para may bonus kayo guys, no. So ayan guys, no. So makita nyo yung airdrop recharge, no. So pwede kayo mag-recharge ng 5. Okay, approve nyo lang yan. Okay, click approve guys, no. Make sure approve nyo yan. Okay, pwedeng max nyo 5, pwedeng 5, no. So optional yan. Okay, click approve. And then transaction is being confirmed. Okay, submitted na yan. And transaction submitted successful. So it's successful guys. Pwede nyo increase din, no, yung motivation of others. Pwede nyo lagyan yung address. Okay, and yun nga guys, no, may propulsion and combustion. So meron din energy extraction. Basically guys, nagmamine kayo dito, kikita kayo, no. So laki ng kitaan dito guys, no. So pwede kayo mag-recharge. So certic audited pala to. So guys, as you can see, certic audited. Okay, and ayan guys, no. So review na natin white paper nila. Meron din sila mga news sa Telegram nila. So make sure you read the Telegram for news and updates. So pwede kayong kumita ng up to $150 per month guys, guaranteed, no. So grabe, listed pa yan yung TTM sa AVEC.ai, no. So you can check din guys, no. And also listed sila sa CMC at marami din silang TMM coming soon, no. So bago na naman token, TMM coming soon. Okay, to the moon, no. So coming soon na yan, to the moon guys. Okay, and of course yan yung Telegram nila. Make sure you join right now and watch for the latest updates then guys, no. Of course meron din silang, okay, Twitter guys, no. So follow nyo sila sa Twitter and all social medias, no, para at least aware kayo guys, no. So may community sila dito, yun yung Twitter nila guys. Okay, follow them on Twitter guys. Let's make them bigger. Super exciting mga yan. So mga maraming possibilities to earn dito, lalo na yung token guys. Pag nag-invest kayo sa token nila, big potential token to, sinasabi ko na. Pero nasa inyo pa rin magkano invest nyo. Invest nyo lang kaya nyo mawala. Okay, and huwag kayo mag-invest na hindi nyo kaya mawala. So yun yung token. Pwede kang pumasok dito guys, no. Approve contract mo lang. Okay, ganyan lang kadali. And rekta na yan. So you can invest TTM, USDT, you can mine. And ayan na nga guys, no, pumasok na, successful, easy, and pwede ka mag-recharge anytime. Mag-join ka sa lahat ng airdrops dito, no, libre lang naman yung airdrops. Pwede ka rin mag-mine, invest ka. Ingat kayo mga boss, have a nice day. Napakaraming maganda dito guys. So guys, napakaraming airdrops na available. Mamili lang kayo, complete the task, and stay updated sa Telegram group nila, no? Sobrang daming rewards guys at mga winners dito, no? So complete nyo lahat ng airdrops sila. So exciting. Check the Telegram group to be updated.